Badness turn over.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, say it's the girl Birds_Up_Harmony. In the back, guess who we have? Garni Bless. Who want to jump over to our YouTube channel, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell everybody. Like all our video them, I remember to tell her say Birds_Up_Harmony sent to you. So what we're going to be doing today is a very simple recipe. We're going to do our traditional Jamaican rice and peas, and we're going to go with ackee and saltfish. That's our Jamaican national dish. We already put our peas to pressure, so we can look in our pot. Yes, can we know about them admit in the hospital. We have with saltfish. Yes, it's a boil up a time for you come okay, you know, so we have to boil scald off the saltfish first.
Saltfish stick and everything now, map stick. Look, and the map stick, you have the saltfish stick. But anyway, tell them we're going to see saltfish now. No?
So we are about to turn off the fire because we need to throw this water away, and we're going to wash the saltfish in some freshly catch tapped water.
All fish them know ugly, every fish ugly. Cleaning up the saltfish, you know, take off the little black part of it because we don't want that for our saltfish. And the name saltfish, so you know, so don't worry yourself about the water and stuff like that because it is well salt. So that's why we wash it so many times.
What's the scientific name for saltfish?
Codfish.
Yeah, man. So foreign people now go say saltfish, you know, like we Jamaican, we say saltfish, them say codfish.
Right, so
when I say saltfish, you say codfish. Saltfish,
codfish.
You know, work with me at all, you know. Sonny.
You cut out your mouth.
What you say?
You cut out your voice.
No, everything are going at this.
All that?
And that I cut out, all hag. I got your daddy. We have cherry palm tree.
Yes, it's summertime, so you know so summer is basically spring.
We have pear in a tree. Make them see the pear. See the pear there, guys. We have pear in the tree. Where? Gonna come video the land.
The pear you're right on the index, so.
Yes, sir? This? That? Where?
You know, show them someone have to climb breadfruit tree to get breadfruit. It's right at low level.
Watch out. Safi can come pick breadfruit. I don't know. Safi can pick breadfruit. Show them how you pick the breadfruit, Sapphire.
Show them. Hey.
You can't reach. So we put on back some water to boil the ackee into, but you can't throw the ackee in the cold water because it will come out half cooked. Like no matter how much you cook it, some just have a chop and some.
Before the cooking, no matter if I ackee rice or dumplings.
Elizabeth, guys, on ear Liza. Yeah.
I like that. When me look for macaroni and cheese, me just pull the water and put it in there.
No.
That's what me look for.
So guys, as I said, the ackee is pre-prepared. That's how the ackee come on the tree. For those who didn't know, the ackee, we clean it up, take out the eye and clean it up, wash it and all of those things
And
before.
the eye can see out of it.
And yeah, the ackee eye is not something that ackee can use to see.
Stop it, wake up to the grass for.
Yes, everybody, you don't know, say we have the real Jamaican coconut right here. We're gonna use this one. To God and bless all it up, but this one we're gonna use in the pot. So we'll get Sunny Man. Regret on the coconut. Yes. One. We're putting it on the playpen. So now guys, we're about to turn off the fire under the peas pot. You know, so we can't just bust over the pressure cooker pot so we don't want to cause accidents in the place. So we're going to take it off and we're going to put it in some water for it to cool down. If you feel like you can also turn on your pipe on top of the cover. Remember, once it cool down, take off the top the weight. And remember to turn off the pipe. Show them another pot. See it? Yes, alright, that's it. So now we're gonna transfer the peas to right from the pressure cooker pot to the rice pot.
And now the ackee is gonna go into the saltfish pot. I mean, the ackee is going to go into the hot water, the boiling water, and then when it is almost done, we're gonna put the saltfish, little twibs of saltfish.
You know, say I can't go. Well, I know. You said when time is almost finished, you're going to put the saltfish in the ackee pot.
I know,
I know, so I
know in the aisle.
I want to go in the aisle. Isn't me?
Miss
Go look in the pot, no man. Them not do it already?
Oh.
Miss Carla have the saltfish already. You go and go video in the pot. Tell them what you see.
We don't have to walk around water for this.
We know, you know if you video that. Video this one, yeah. Video that one.
Okay, so we have the ackee. You know, you put a little garlic inside there and a little thyme, you know, to make sure it's seasoned well. And we're just gonna wait on the ackee to cook down now.
Coconut.
So now we are putting the coconut juice inside the pot with the peas.
Alright, so the ackee is soon ready. Ackee almost ready because you don't want it to boil that soft. It's still going to get steam when you're cooking it up with our little 0.5 pounder codfish, saltfish. Now we have our rice and peas pot, well seasoned, and we want the coconut juice to be boiled because we don't want nobody get running belly and we don't want the rice pot spoil fast. So we have to make sure that our coconut milk is well boiled. Alright guys, so now we have a little bit of seasoning. So we're going to throw in our little pot here, so. And then we're going to mix that with the saltfish. We don't cook with a lot of cooking oil. Those who know. Alright, so that's how we are about with ackee today. We're ackee down a color. But after you know ackee, you know you mess it fat. The saltfish now no color. Add the sweet pepper you see with a little bit of onion and a little bit of garlic. So we're going to now add our ackee to it. Alright, so we're just gonna mix that in. I know you guys are wondering where's the powdered seasoning. We're going to add that just so it looks like scrambled egg when prepared. The ackee also does not have any taste. It gets the taste from whatever it is prepared with. Alright, so right now we're going to add a little bit of Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Not a lot because we did already season the ackee when we were going to boil it. We're going to mix that around. Try to pot a bubble up.
We're adding our rice to the peas and the coconut juice. Good. You know your skin look pretty, but you don't want to see your hand still. I rice once in a pot.
You want me to turn up over the stove? Alright, ready.
Know the plastic bag, Panny?
Yes, so you have to show them say plastic bag or panny. You know cook with plastic bag? Ready?
Yeah, I know we be the boss of the man again.
Gosh. You can't crop out, you know me say, grandpa. Guys, look at that. Put your rice and peas. The rice and peas well pretty.
Yes.
Alright, we're ready now. Yes, guys.
Hey, for me, look at that.
Yes, guys. Ready?
Mommy, I want this.
That ready long time. Yes, guys. So now we are ready to, dish our meal. Remember, today we don't eat tough ackee around here. We eat ackee like scrambled eggs, so they're not ola. So that is what the ackee looks like. We make the what do I call this? Thyme. We make the thyme stick stay in there, so it can still have the little flavor. And bam, and bam, and bam, and bam, rice. Take out my things. Take care of me. It no matter if you're in the.
That.
Yes, everybody, look at the rice. Look at the rice. The rice, people, the rice. Yes, lovely. So now we're going to dish our meal and everybody's going to sit down and have a jolly good time. Una drink Pepsi. I drink mix up cream soda. Run with it up with them.
Contact to order laugh or rent it.
Alright. Yes, everybody. So this is our ackee and codfish, aka saltfish, with rice and peas. Alright, so everybody come for them food. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. If you look down below and your subscription button is still on red, then what you are waiting for? Yes, that's yours, baby girl. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell everybody to jump over braids_up_Hermione. Get us to 1,000 views in one day.
British.
Yes, what's gonna bless I go down in it. Go down there. Go down there. Down there, down there, down there. Go down there. We are saying, Allah,
Everybody, please remember to subscribe to the channel. Lick down, smash down, kill out the bell so you won't miss a post once Garnet Bless posts her videos. Watch Auntie Nuffy. Elizabeth Taylor.
Mouth too full now for talk, guys.
Yes, Garnet, I got down in there ackee and saltfish and the rice and peas. Food too nice, cause I'm a pretty look someone. Girl better can cook. Yeah, you better get this out of recipe book. Yeah, girl. So again, guys, if you want to see more vlogs like this, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Big up on yourself. Thanks for coming back.
Pepper.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, that's what I'm having.
Outside.
You could have wanted to watch.
Two so that we go buy a while ago. Tell her to call me. You have the syrup over there under your bed.
Hey, we see. Me, I look for something for glory. I'm sick.
Wow, wait, what?
Champagne syrup on the bed.
Me that hot, man.
Me that look too fast, so I never see color good, but it look like champagne. Today I soon get some number. Madness turn over.
Yes, sir.
Me no want to go no further before I get the green.
Get the cover. Get the food.
Get one of them before.
Yeah, man. Now come on. The first thing, they make video backside and the film. Hey, enjoy food, nice food little bit. You can't say not enjoy ackee with it sitting there.
No, me eat with rice, but not white rice. If it's white rice, me not me. Or if you try me the government, then how I make?
Come like I said, if you didn't try it, the government. And your badness.
Yeah, me can. Mika.
Well, do that. You say, Pepper gonna catch you.
You could make it catch me good stuff.
Come 21 and 22. Me tell you, say that anytime I cook garlic, I don't know why I cook so exact. When I
want me to know.
When I eat with food, I tell you, now you know. And if you didn't know, now you know. I'm done.